What's up guys, your Biglee here. When it comes to peak biceps, one form of concentration curl or the other is essential. I'm gonna show you concentration curls on a single handle cable machine. All I do is take a step away from the machine so that my biceps is in extended position, lock my arm in one stable position, curl the weight, contract the biceps and then stretch. If you're in front of a mirror, this is a perfect exercise to visualize your biceps working and see the form of your exercise. Let me do it on the other arm as well. If you see, any kind of concentration movement allows you to concentrate on the peak and admire the beauty of your biceps. Biceps is a beautiful muscle. I'll see you with one more biceps workout on the next episode. It's your Biglee, over and out.